All right, so we want to chat a little bit about these physical training sessions that you can book with our practitioners now, these one-on-ones. So we were having a chat about what we are offering, and it is very tailored to the individual. We're going to really talk to you about what your goals are, what your objectives are, what you love too, and we will tailor the program to those needs. So if you've been watching us for a while, you know that we do a lot of heavy resistance training, like heavy lifting, deadlifting, squatting. We also do a lot of functional training too. So we do a lot of, dead ball work, med ball work, live ball, pivot-based work, just getting you moving in all 3D planes of motion to really just give you what you're missing. That's a big part of it too, is what are you missing right now that you want to gain? Is it maybe you want to jump higher, or you want to run faster, you want to be pain-free, you want to pick up your kids? We will tailor the programs to exactly what you need, eh?
Yep. So one of my little favourite lines is, the body is an instrument, not an ornament. So it's more important how you feel, how you perform, how confident you are, how your posture is, things like that. So we're really, mindful of that kind of thing too. So we're not going to just
do the beach muscles,
isolation exercises. No, it's more about awareness of your own body, how you're feeling, and get an experience of what it is to be really strong and functional and confident. It makes a massive difference in your life if you're walking around with strength through your body.
Yeah, because with that comes those feelings of looking good too, don't you? Like when you can perform, when you are capable, you're strong, you're confident, you feel good too, and you look good as well. And the stuff you're emitting will be really strong too, your energy, your vibration. So we're really passionate about it. We embody it, we exemplify it. Like we test all this stuff on ourselves. So with us, you're going to get trainers that are really congruent with the things that they're going to be making you apply on your own body too. I'm sure we'll probably do a bit of training with you as well, because we don't want to kind of, just let you do stuff that we're not doing ourselves. So, yeah.
And one other thing to mention too is pure biomechanics. So the bare feet. So that's one thing we're really, mindful of as well, is just how the body moves, how it's designed, how it's engineered. We really try and do stuff that's in alignment with that. We don't isolate. We try and do the whole movements together, how it coordinates. We can break it down into smaller regressions and things like that as well. But how the body moves and how it's meant to feel, they're really important points about us too. So it starts with the bare feet.
That's it. A lot of our training is just connecting the dots, figuring out where there is a short circuit, what's actually breaking down, and trying to reconnect that through differing exercises, trying to, create stimulus through your body to try and fire things back up and get back to your pure biomechanics. And generally with humans, that is walking and running, and obviously sprinting, something that we're very passionate about, and we'd love everyone that comes through our doors for these physical training one-on-one sessions to maybe have that same
aspiration.
I've just completely gone blank.
Aspiration to sprint
as us. Maybe that'll grow over time, or maybe you've got it straight away, but we believe everyone should experience what it is like to fully let rip in a sprint, because it is the best feeling in the world, and it's what our bodies are designed to do. It's everything working in unison, and it's almost like the ultimate corrective exercise, sprinting. Whatever you've come in with, whatever pain you've got, whatever breakdown you've got, generally sprinting is going to fire up those muscle groups that you need better than anything else, better than any gym exercise can replicate. So it's just free optimization, sprinting.
Yeah, I've coined this little one, is sprinting is the ultimate expression of being human. We should all be sprinting, be able to run away, get out of danger, but just do it for pure joy. Just like, the dog going down the park, they just love it. They just wanting to sprint, take off. It's just pure joy for them. And we should all be feeling like that. We're just jumping out of our skin, just wanting to blast out and run and express that thing. It's spiritual in a way.
You see kids, they just run when they get to the playground, but how many adults would have to be like, I don't know, I'm not warmed up, all these blocks that are developed over years of life. It's bullshit, and that's why we're passionate, because we believe that we can find that for everyone again. It might take a bit longer for some people, but we can find that same passion back for physical exercise and exuding health and fitness.
Yeah, we want people to be training forever, sprinting forever, not have limitations and these restrictions like Aaron was saying. Like, why can't you run when you're 100?
I know.
Why can't you live to 120?
Yeah.
Jesus, it's all possible. We fulfill our own prophecies, don't we? You
Yeah.
know? So yeah, aim high, aim big, and you'll get there.
Yeah. See you soon in the gym.
Get it done.